Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Xfinity cable box not responding to remote, signal, reset and sync fix guide. Fix 1 is check the remote batteries. Remove the old batteries from the remote, then insert a new pair of batteries matching the plus and minus symbol. Then press the power or menu button to test the remote. Second one is make sure nothing is blocked the signal. Stand within 10 to 15 feet of the cable box, then remove any object blocking the front of the cable box. Then point the remote directly at the cable box and try again. Third one is restart the Xfinity cable box. Unplug the cable box from the power outlet, then wait for the 60 seconds. Put it back in and wait until the fully restart. Then test the remote again. Fourth one is reset the remote. Press and hold the setup button until the LED light change color. Enter the reset code of your Xfinity remote model. Then wait for the LED to confirm the reset. Try using the remote again. Fifth one is power cycle the remote. Remove the batteries from the remote, then press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds. Then reinsert the batteries, test the remote again. Thanks for watching.